If your website isn't showing up on Google, you're probably missing one of these 7 things. And the first thing is keyword optimization. Now, you have to use tools like Google Search Console, Social First SEO Manager, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, or any other tool to find the right keywords that you should optimize your brand for. So find the right keywords. The second thing is actually adding H1 tags and other H tags to your website. So basically search engines can know what's most important, what pages are talking about, and essentially what your website is actually offering on each specific page. The third thing is making sure your SEO page titles and meta description is set up. So you want to make sure you have the most keyword and optimized page title for every specific website page that you may offer, as well as have a meta description that is set in there and optimized for the keyword for that specific page. The third thing is you want to make sure you have your CTAs or your call to actions that are clear, set up on every single page. You want to make sure that every page has its own clear CTA so users know what action they should take to basically get in contact with you, fill out a form, or take the next step. So you want to make sure your every page has that. The next thing is you want to make sure your website pages are fast. You want to make sure your website is optimized and fast loading, because if it takes longer than a few seconds to load on desktop or even mobile, then users are going to essentially leave your website because everybody wants to be on a fast website in today's world. The next thing you want to make sure you have for your website is you want to make sure it is mobile friendly. If your website is actually not mobile friendly and users can't use it from their phone directly, then they're essentially not even going to find or use your website, because everybody in today's world uses their mobile device to access websites. And finally, the next thing you want to make sure you have set up is tracking and analytics. So you want to be able to track all of the data for how users are finding your website, how they're using your website, and basically see all the analytics that you can possibly see so you can start optimizing and marketing your business better. So make sure you have Google Analytics set up, Google Search Console, and any other analytics and tracking platforms that you may need set up to make sure you're effectively tracking your website's data. If your website is missing just one of these things, you're essentially leaving money on the table. We build websites that rank online, convert leads, and also grow your business. So comment below if you want to get a free audit for your website today, or if you don't have a website, if you want to get a website that will help you convert more clicks into customers. Comment below.